Did you know that Bhagwan Krishna showed his divine form 3 times during Mahabharata? The first time he shows in the Kuru assembly when he goes there for peace talks. The universal Dharma law states that no peace emissary shall be harmed. But Duryodhana and his supporters plot to imprison Krishna when he comes. Even after extensive talks and advice by the Kuru elders to desist from this war, when Duryodhana remains adamant and vengeful, Bhagwan Krishna shows his divine form in the assembly to show the futility of this decision. But the brightness of the form is so much that most in the assembly close their eyes in fear and do not see this divine form, except for a few like Bhishma, Sanjaya, Vidura, and the rishis and sages in the court. Stunned and incapacitated, the warriors are unable to do anything to Bhagwan Krishna, who then walks out of the assembly after paying his respects to the elders. This is mentioned in the Udyoga Parva. The second time is just before the Kurukshetra war, when Arjuna is heartbroken and despondent. Bhagwan Krishna teaches him about Dharma, Atma, Brahman. Then Arjuna requests Bhagwan to reveal himself in his divine form, and so Bhagwan shows his divine form to Arjuna. This is mentioned in Bhagavad Gita chapter 11. The third time is when sage Uttanka asks Bhagwan. When Bhagwan Krishna is returning to Dwaraka after the Kurukshetra war, he sees the sage, who then inquires about all that has happened in Kurukshetra. Angered and saddened, he is about to curse Krishna for not bringing about peace between the two families. But then Bhagwan Krishna explains all that took place and how this war was inevitable, and also this war had to happen to uphold Dharma. When sage Uttanka understands, he bows down to Bhagwan Krishna and asks him to show his divine form, and so Bhagwan shows his divine form to sage Uttanka. This is mentioned in the Ashwamedhika Parva of Mahabharata. Hari Om.